How to make money as a personal fitness training and coaching. Introduction. The need for personal fitness coaching and instruction is growing in today's health-conscious society. The need for personal fitness trainers and coaches grows as more people try to live better lifestyles and reach their fitness objectives. This line of work not only offers the fulfillment of changing someone else's life, but it also offers profitable chances for individuals seeking a good living. Here is a detailed manual on how to earn money as a personal fitness coach and trainer. 1. Certification and expertise. Establishing your credibility is crucial before you start your quest to succeed financially in the fitness sector. Obtain appropriate certificates from reputable institutions like NASM, ACE, or ISSA. To make sure you're giving your customers the greatest advice possible, keep up with the newest developments in coaching, nutrition science, and fitness. 2. Specialize and differentiate. Consider concentrating in a certain area if you want to stand out in a crowded market. This could include everything from yoga to postnatal fitness to coaching for specific sports to weight loss and strength training. You can draw clients who are looking for your specialized knowledge by establishing yourself as an authority in a particular field. 3. Create a strong online presence. Having a strong online presence is essential in the current digital era. Create a professional website, interesting social media profiles, and publish useful coaching, health, and fitness-related information. You can gain a devoted following and potential customers by demonstrating your expertise and providing free advice. 4. Offer personalized training programs. Create fitness and coaching plans that are unique to each client's needs, objectives, and degree of fitness. Personalized plans show that you care about their performance and improve client satisfaction, which raises the possibility of referrals and long-term commitments. 5. Group classes and workshops. Hosting group fitness classes or workshops can significantly increase your income. You can work with numerous clients at once during group sessions, optimizing your time and earning potential. 6. Online coaching and ebooks. Use the internet to your advantage by generating and selling fitness-related ebooks or providing online coaching services. By doing this, you can reach a larger audience, make passive revenue, and continue to offer helpful advice to people all over the world. 7. Collaborate and network. To increase your reach, collaborate with nearby fitness clubs, health facilities, and other companies. Collaboration chances, recommendations, and cross-promotional opportunities can all result from networking with other professionals in the field. 8. Client retention and referrals. Client retention is the secret to a personal fitness trainer's ability to make a living. Deliver outstanding results and cultivate enduring bonds with your clients. Customers who are happy with the service are more inclined to suggest their friends and family, resulting in a continual flow of new customers. 9. Continual growth and adaptation. The fitness sector is always changing. Keep abreast of the most recent developments in fashion, science, and technology. Your ability to offer creative and practical answers to your clients will improve as you develop and modify your coaching techniques, further increasing your earning potential. Conclusion. Success as a personal fitness trainer and coach takes a blend of drive, commitment, and business sense. You can build a fulfilling career while assisting others in reaching their fitness objectives by putting an emphasis on professional development, specialization, and innovative revenue streams. Remember that continually providing value to your clients and adjusting to the fitness industry's dynamic environment are the keys to long-term financial success. Thank you for watching this video. See you next segment.